Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to replace your battery for your remote key. This is a Lexus ES 350 and it uses I just got this brand from Walmart. This is what I got, and it's CR 1632. This one, it says it's a lithium one, 3 volt. So it's something that you should keep away from children. Okay guys, let's go ahead. Let me show you how to change it. Firstly, let me open this. I think I got I just cut it open. Okay, it should be good to go. And then the simple way is you just shift this little knob behind, take this out, and as you can see, you use your key, turn it. When you turn, it pushes this open, and then gently turn this upside down into your palm, and there is the key. Push this to one side, okay, grab the new one, just push it in. Okay. And that's how it's done, guys. So please like this video, comment below, subscribe to my channel, and see you on my next video. Thank you.